Well, the summer warm-up continues across SoCal.
It sure does. Parts of the IE under excessive heat warnings as firefighters battle the Vista fire on Mount Baldy. KCAL News reporter Rick Montanez live from Riverside with what more and what people need to know. Mark, what's the temperature out there right now? It must be pretty warm, Rick.
Yeah, Chris and Riverside right now, I can tell you it's comfortable, but with the sun coming up here, we know that we're facing another scorching start to the work week. And of course, those advisories in place across Riverside County this morning. So these are all things we need to be aware of as we start the day, because it certainly can get dangerous, especially for those fire crews who are out. So we also want to talk about this. There was a record high temperature broken Friday that we've talked about, already, 124 degrees in Palm Springs. So these warnings or these heat advisories, I should say, are in Riverside County from here in the Inland Empire out to Palm Springs. It is July, so we should expect the summer heat. Still, it's worth preparing for as temperatures in several areas across the county are expected to hit 100 degrees or above for a few days this week. This is the time to remember to drink plenty of fluids, stay indoors and air conditioning if possible. Make sure to check on vulnerable people like children and the elderly. And of course, with the extreme heat comes the increased risk of wildfires. More than 90 acres burned near Lytle Creek. That is the Vista fire that Chris and Riverside were just referring to. That started this weekend. So love or hate the heat, it is here with us for a while.
It's hot, yeah, but it's something that we all have to deal with.
It's reaching like 112, 111, and then, we're outside in the heat all the time, like right now. So, I mean, yeah, it's not really affecting me that much, but, people who are really in the heat, it might be affecting them a lot.
So the sign here at the Riverside Convention Center, it might pop up here in a moment, says 65 degrees right now where we are. So as I mentioned, comfortable start to the day. In Riverside, there are 7 public pools that you can go swim and cool off in. And there are also several cooling centers across the county. So check on the times for those different locations that you want to go to, because the times vary a little bit. But that's another option to try and stay cool in this extreme heat. Live in Riverside, Rick Montanez, KCAL News.